Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. So first, remove the screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference with the touch. So let's just take off the case. Now, as you guys can see, here we will have something like this. It can be a little bit longer in some cases and can cause the touchscreen to not respond. So now clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. It can fix a lot of things because you are getting rid of the dirt and moisture and your fingerprints. So it can all make the screen less responsive, so make sure to clean your screen regularly. Now try and force restart your phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button, keep on holding it, do not click anything here. Now keep on holding it until you feel a vibration, so now let go of it, and I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. So now after a restart, try and update your software if you're not on the latest version already, because it can fix the touchscreen, like the touch glitches. So go to settings, scroll down all the way until you guys see system, and here click system update. Now if you'll have an update available, then it will say update software or something like that. For now it says your system is up to date for me, so keep in mind to run the latest version and to update your phone regularly, and that'd be it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.